Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick video for you to show you something you can see right there. Since I'm back in Alabama now and have a little bit more connections anyway, or at least people that I trust to work on the truck, paint the truck, do things that I don't have the expertise to do myself. So we got a couple things paint matched, and it really sets off the truck. So I really can't wait to show you, and without further ado, here it is. So guys, we got the mirrors, the door handles, and the spiked lugs paint matched. So I got these spiked lugs not too long ago, just when I got the wheels, but they were like a darker red, and now they match the truck perfectly. They're in the shadow right now, but you can tell it's the same color. Paint code PR4, and everything's filthy right now. I got pollen everywhere. I don't know if the video is gonna pick it up, but these mirrors turned out great. A guy named Watkins did it. I'll link his Instagram down below. He does fantastic work. He doesn't cut corners and sands it all smooth. You can see all the pollen, but man, these things turned out fantastic. Now my traction bars, spiked lugs, paint, everything matches perfect. Did the tailgate handle. So guys, if you're in the market for paint matching or any paint work on your vehicle and you're in I don't know, North Alabama area, Central Alabama area, Watkins, he's right in Athens, Huntsville area. Hit him up. Top-notch guy, top-notch work. Like I said, he doesn't cut corners, and you know, it's more expensive than a guy that would cut corners, but you get what you pay for. You know, it's a good deal because he does good work, and he's a really nice guy to boot. So his information will be down below, and I'll try and put some pictures up of before and after as well, so you can see to compare. And thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe, stay tuned for more content to come, and hit that like button. We'll see you.